So, hello everyone. This is just a little blurb about the reason I'm selling my Asus Z580CA and upgrading to a Windows 10 tablet. I've done all the testing I need to do to prove to myself that, well, by golly, as you can see, what you're looking at right now is the same web server that an hour or so ago was on my Dragon Touch and on my Asus, and they still are. But this is running on a Windows 10 tablet inside of VMware on 4 gig of RAM to about 1.5 gigs set aside for a dual core processor, which seems to work seriously well. Let's just try some stuff here. And as usual, we're out in the studio here doing our thing. Look at that. This thing works every bit as well as any other computer that I have because they're all so fast nowadays. Wham bam, thank you ma'am, they all work. So y'all could help me out and somebody could send me a Chewy book, or somebody could buy my damn Asus Z580CA, which Asus has chosen not to upgrade, which is the main reason I'm getting rid of it. I'm going to get a Chewy with a dual boot with Android and Windows. Can't go wrong there. They're on sale now for like 179 bucks on GearBest. At most 200 if you look on Amazon, or roughly in that range. Let's face it, I like running virtual servers because the nice thing is you can just shut the server down, restart it anytime you want without restarting the actual computer or tablet. And you can do that remotely through Telnet. Wham bam, thank you ma'am, you're done. It does rock. So eventually here, what we're going to see is a replacement of the Dragon Touch test server with a something, probably a Chinese tablet, but let's face it, they're all made in China. I don't care if you got an Apple, Asus, whatever. They're not exactly made in America. Doesn't matter. The reviews are good in the Chewy, 4 gig RAM. That equals what we're looking at here on the Asus notebook, which sucks battery down like it's going out of style, although I have figured out how to leave the Wi-Fi on and set it to never go to sleep. It's just turning the screen off after like 3 minutes. It will probably last all night. I am not going to attempt that. So if you were lucky enough to come and check out the site, good for you. If you didn't, that's just too damn bad. But this thing runs everything. I did have to install a couple of modules, PD, so I could update the graphics and image magic. Hopefully, latest patched image. I'm not sure if I needed both, but I installed them. Now, they didn't install just this information here. I had to reboot the server. A half later, it was back up and running. So, well, I will run it probably with almost half the RAM on the other machine. I got way too many things open on the tablet right now to set aside anything more than 1.3 gig. And it's roughly at 40%. We cut, but I'm not going to give you my IP addresses. So, that's all for tonight. It is cool beans, Mandarin. And I'll be running the backup from this machine back over to the Dragon Touch, where you'll see this video. Or you can see it on tablets.yourfreewordpress.com probably tomorrow sometime when I move the whole. I generally write stuff on here, and then if I consider it worth sharing, I put it out on a real server that's not a dynamic DNS server with my own domain, and we'll see how that works out. And that is all for this evening.